Hello everyone, today we will introduce about the insertion type thermogas mass flow meters instruction. At first you can see that this is the whole set of the flow meter. You can take out this welding base to find a suitable place in the pipe, open a 25 mm hole and weld it. After that, you can do in the sealing tape for seal. Please be careful when you insert the sensor. Do not collision the sensor and the base. And then you can tighten it. This flow direction is for downstream. And this is for 4-inch pipe. You can see in the flow meter there has scale. You just find a suitable point. And then tighten it. This note also for seal. Okay, that's all. This is for the instruction step of this flow meter.